Hi everyone, long time no see. Today I'm going to participate in the Hacker Cup practice round to get back in shape, so to say, get used back to the format and so on. I am a human, so I am participating in the human track. This year they introduced some new AI track. I don't really know what that's about, but yeah, going to do the thing I was doing the previous years. Yeah, so the practice round is not mandatory, and it is, isn't it? Yeah, and it is already almost 5 hours in. Oh yes, there was some 7ZE something, yeah. We recommend participating. Yes. Anybody can also enter round 1, yes. So this is not, it's not necessary to participate in practice round. But yeah, why not? Yeah, I forgot. So I have to... Okay, cool. Move input here. Also, yeah. Okay. Yes, of course. Of course, I don't actually need the symbolic link here. Oh yeah, I have just updated it. Yada. Okay. I need to update my template snippet. Yeah, I don't want to. This is probably not really necessary. I don't get it. So since the flashlight is always crossing the bridge, we can only go forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards, and so on. So can't just one person, the fastest one, give a ride to everyone. Yeah, okay. And K, then they are at most 1 billion. Okay, the fastest one needs another 2 times n minus 1. Okay. Sorry. 2 times this. Like this, right? Okay, let's validate the solution. We download the validation input. We move it here. It's saved into q.in. We run the solution. Okay. Okay, let's move it here. How do I... Okay. Well... What do I mean system error? Okay. Yes. Okay, make 0a. Out, wait. Do I really write the output in out.out? Why? Huh. Okay, and what happened to this? So it's now q.in. Okay. Ah. Let's try again. Huh. Nice. Yeah. So now that this is sorted out, problem B. Yeah, n lines of code. What the fuck is this problem? So this minus p. No tricky stuff like division by 0, or there shouldn't be any error, right, in accuracy. Okay. Do I really do this? Okay. No. Yeah, I don't like this. I blinked. Okay. No nonce. That's a good sign, I believe. Oh, 22 points. Ah, wait. Okay, so I generally want to find out the maximal number of ants that are on the same line, but of course I kind of want some sort of like logarithm possible values, like I want to fall within an interval. If that helps, I don't believe it does. Ah, no, it's much easier. Okay, so if at least half of the ants are on the same line, then we can do it by repeatedly trying random pairs of ants and see what other ants lie on the same line. If less than half ants are on the same line, well, then we can output whatever, I believe, like n over 2 or something like this. Okay. Easy, well-known problem. Integers up to a billion. Okay, no problem. Different. Yes. Okay, now we are ready. Nope. The maximal number of ants currently is 0. The probability for a big line to find it is 1/4. Okay. Oh, yeah, and it's at least 2, thank you very much. What? Okay, my bad. Yay. I forgot about one detail. Yeah. Do not open this file in your text editor. I warn you. I probably need to also compile my file in the release mode because I do a lot of operations. Yeah, 4 million is okay. Anyway, I can just download the file right now. Oh, it's going to be a big file. 60 megabytes. That's a good practice round, by the way. You can test your internet connection in particular. Okay, let's go. 62 megabytes. It would be nicer to have some debug CRs that show your current progress, but that's okay. Yeah, I don't know. For those of you wondering, I do not use any parallelization or fancy template. As you can see, this is just running all the tests one by one on my laptop. I used to use some multiple threads solution for Google Code Jam back in the days, but I'm too lazy nowadays to bother. Line of delivery. Thank you for putting the key differences in bold. One-dimensional sheet of ice. Okay. By energy you mean in particular speed, right? No. Okay. What the fuck? Ah, yeah. No. This is just stupid, no. This version of the problem is stupid, because we can just say that no collision happened, as if they go through each other. The set of positions would be the same, but the order would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay. Input format, NNG, and then this stuff. What if two stones are at the same distance? Lowest index, okay. J is up to 1,000,000. I wonder what the differences are with the hard version. And this is 20 points. Shame. You know what, I will do it in linear time. Boom. That's actually interesting that while it was downloading this file, I didn't know its size. And while it was downloading the C input, it showed at the beginning that it was about 59 megabytes. Stones that are 1 unit wide. Okay, that is a little bit interesting. A tiny little bit. So we can imagine them as, like, again, just points, 0 unit wide, and just follow this rule. Yes. In any case, one invariant would be that the sum of all the coordinates increased by this energy. Again, okay, assume we have some configuration and a new stone is thrown, and if there were no collisions it would end up here. In fact, it will not end up here or before the first collision. Yeah, if this is past k of them, then this k will go 1 to the left. Yeah. This is what I was thinking about right now. Okay. Yes, and since they go 1 to the left, this actually goes k more to the right. So how do we find okay, we want to find the maximal k such that e plus k is at least the kth of them. I mean, I can do this in a boring way by implementing a trip. Okay. What operations do we have? Yeah. What does it mean that kth of them is at most e plus k? This means that kth of them minus k is at most e. Okay. And on the other hand, no, that's just it. Some of them need to be decreased by 2 then, if we want to store kth, like element minus index. That's actually what we want to compare against, but that is harder to update. Wait, or is it though? No. That's nice. So if we have k of them, and we store element minus index, then what happens next is this element minus index decreases by 1 because the element decreases. This element minus index decreases by 1 because the index increases, and we insert something there. Okay, what remains? To find out the index of the new element. That's easy. No, is it? Yeah, one way is to use a policy-based data structure, which I don't know how to use. Another way is to implement something like a trip. I have it in my library actually, but I don't want to use it because I don't want to look at the signature, and my design is not very good. I have to look at the signature to understand how to use it. So what can I do instead? I can implement it. Okay, let's implement this. X equals, no, not X. Key priority left and right. I want to use the static array. Okay, now I need two basic primitive functions, namely split and merge. How do I do this? I will only split by key, right? So split, what do we split? The key itself, where to write the result. Yeah, if we want to proceed to the left, otherwise we proceed to the right. Sorry. No, yes, that's correct. Okay, now merge. Ironically, here I chose another order. The other order, okay. Okay, now how do we solve the problem? The final wait. Yeah, the final routine is the same, and the general routine. First we find out where the stones land as a set, and then we just... Okay, how do we do this? Very easily, in fact. For from 0 to n. Yeah, sorry. Necessarily do this, and the root is -1. Sorry, I forgot to store the size. That's a shame. sc equals 1 here. Here I believe in either case I need to recalculate the stuff. And here I want to recalculate it here and here, and in either case again I can assume that v is not -1, so okay, easy peasy. So I read the energy no wait, what the fuck? Wait, I want to think. Wait. Nah. Okay. Am I stupid? Whatever the index is, its position minus index will be x. However, its position minus index will be x, but everyone else's position minus index will decrease by 1. Okay, I am a moron. Let me just erase everything here. Like this, right? And now I do something like this. Sorry. That's what happens when you don't think and start implementing something first. That's Yeah, that's funny. Okay, well, that's it, I believe. I don't even care if anything doesn't pass the tests, because this is a practice round anyway. Okay, we can see some well-known people in the community at the top of the scoreboard. Yeah, not a lot of people actually. A lot of people started doing this as soon as it was released. But yeah, well, okay, we have 3 more days to do it, so not a big deal. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.